What happens when science loses its soul? When curiosity turns into cruelty? Today, we uncover the darkest chapters in human history. Real experiments conducted on real people, all in the name of science, power, and war. These are not horror stories. These are facts, and they will shake you to the core. Number 1. Nazi human experiments. During World War II, Nazi doctors performed horrific experiments on prisoners in concentration camps. Dr. Josef Mengele, known as the Angel of Death, conducted inhumane tests on twins, injecting them with chemicals, sewing their organs together, and studying their reactions to pain and disease, all without anesthesia. Victims were frozen alive, exposed to deadly gases, and infected with diseases, just to test endurance. Over 7,000 died in these experiments. Number 2. The Tuskegee syphilis study. From 1932 to 1972, the U.S. Public Health Service ran a secret experiment on 600 poor African American men in Alabama. They were told they were being treated for bad blood, but in reality, doctors were studying the effects of untreated syphilis without the patient's knowledge or consent. Even after penicillin became a known cure, the treatment was denied. Dozens died, and the victims' families were left with lifelong trauma. Number 3. Unit 731. In World War II, the Japanese Army's Unit 731 carried out unspeakable atrocities in China. Civilians were used as test subjects, dissected alive, infected with deadly viruses, limbs amputated without anesthesia, all under the name of biological warfare research. Over 200,000 people are estimated to have died. Shockingly, many of the scientists involved were later granted immunity by the U.S. in exchange for their research data. Number 4. MK Ultra. In the 1950s and 60s, the CIA launched Project MK Ultra, a secret experiment to explore mind control. Innocent people, including soldiers and mental hospital patients, were drugged with LSD and subjected to psychological torture, hypnosis, and sensory deprivation, often without their knowledge. The goal? To create brainwashed assassins. Most of the files were destroyed in 1973, but the victims' pain remains. Number 5. The Monster Study. In 1939, researchers at the University of Iowa conducted a stuttering experiment on orphaned children. Half were praised for their speech, the other half criticized and belittled, causing lasting psychological trauma. Many children who didn't stutter before developed speech problems that lasted a lifetime.